Good morning, dear students. Welcome to EVS class. We are in chapter 4, Animal Life, Reproduction in Animals. In our previous class, we have completed the chapter. We have also noted down the word meanings. So today, we will solve the exercises of this chapter. Let's start. Start with tick the correct answer. Number 1. The albumin protects the dash. Options are shell, embryos, yolk, young bird. Dear students, in our book it is clearly written that albumin protect the young bird, and it is correct. But we know that an unborn or unhatched young one is called embryo. So, when young bird is inside an egg, it is embryo. That's why the answer will be embryo. Okay, albumin protects the embryo. So, don't get confused. Now, question number 2. The process of shedding the old skin is called molting. We have already read it. The process of shedding old skin is called molting. Number 3. The animals that give birth to young ones are called mammals. Okay. Then number 4. Birds sit on the eggs before they hatch. Number 5. Which of the following is not a mammal? Cow, snake, whale, bat. Which one is not a mammal? Cow is a mammal, whale is a mammal, bat is a mammal. Only snake is a reptile. So we have to put in snake. Now move to next. Question B. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Young birds have no dash. We know that young birds have no feathers. Okay. Number 2. The eggs of the frog hatch into tadpoles. We have read it. The eggs of the frog hatched into tadpoles. Number 3. Dash is the embryo's food. Yolk is the embryo's food, and albumin protect the embryo. Number 4. The baby that comes out of the eggs of cockroach, nymph. So the answer will be nymph, because we know that the baby of the cockroaches is called nymph. Next, a cub is the young one of a dash. You can write tiger, you can write lion, fox or bear, because the baby of tiger, lion, fox, bear are called cub. Okay, I have written here tiger. Move to next question. See, write true or false. Number 1. All the animals reproduce by laying eggs. Is it true? No. All the animals do not reproduce by laying eggs. Some are give birth to their babies. So our answer will be false. Number 2. Bats are mammals. It is true. Bats are mammal. They give birth to their babies. So they are mammals. Number 3. The larva of a butterfly is called a pupa. Is it true? No. The larva of a butterfly is called caterpillar. So the statement is false. Number 4. A baby frog is called a nymph. It is false. A baby frog is called tadpole, and baby insect mean cockroach or grasshopper are called nymph. So the statement is false. A baby frog is called a nymph. It is false. Number 5. Crocodile lays eggs on land. It is true. Though crocodile lived in water, but they lay eggs on land. move to next question. D. Write these in the correct order. You can see there are 6 sentences or words. We have to arrange them in correct order by putting numbers. So let's start. You can see I have written 1 beside eggs, because eggs is the in the life cycle of any animal, eggs is the first stage. So eggs number 1. Then the larva hatches out of the eggs. From eggs larva hatches out, so it is number 2. Then number 3, a caterpillar eats and grow. When larva comes out from the eggs, generally it is called caterpillar. In case of butterfly, it is called caterpillar. So next will be a caterpillar eats and grows. Then caterpillar form a cocoon. So cocoon will be number 4. Then inside the cocoon, caterpillar changes into butterfly. So number 5 is caterpillar changes into a butterfly. Then finally butterfly comes out of the cocoon. Finally butterfly comes out from the cocoon. So this statement will be number 6. Okay. Then E. Classify the following under the given heads. You can see there are 6 pictures and there are 2 headings: lay eggs and produce babies. Okay, we have to write the names of the animals or human beings, whatever is given here, under the lay eggs or produce baby. Okay, let's start. Dog produce baby. So we have to write dog under the heading of produce babies. Next, snake lay eggs. So we have to write snakes under lay eggs. Then tiger produce babies. So I have written here tiger in under the heading of produce babies. Then butterfly lay eggs. Then frog then hen lay eggs. Then frog lay eggs. Then kangaroo produce babies. It is a mammal. And then human beings also produce babies. They are also mammal. So human beings will be under produce babies. Okay. So dear students, do all these exercises in your book. Put today's date at first, then start. No need to write anything from the video. PDF of the exercises is given here. Question answer we will do in our next class. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.